Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pie creamer. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need 100% pure pumpkin puree, a milk or cream base, and a blend of warm spices. Make sure you have a medium saucepan, a whisk, and a clean jar for storage. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This homemade creamer is a delightful addition to your morning coffee. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Pour your chosen milk or cream into the saucepan, then add about 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree. Stir in your preferred sweetener, perhaps 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or brown sugar. Whisk everything together thoroughly until well combined. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring continuously for about 5 to 7 minutes. Remember, we want it warm, not boiling, to prevent scorching. This is where the magic happens with our spices. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. A tiny pinch of cloves can also enhance the flavor. Stir these spices into the warm mixture until they are fully incorporated and fragrant. Finally, remove from heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Taste and adjust the spices if you desire a bolder flavor. Once your creamer is perfectly spiced, let it cool down completely to room temperature. This step is crucial for proper storage and to prevent condensation. Once cool, carefully pour the creamer into a clean, airtight jar or bottle. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for about 4 to 5 days. Give it a good shake before each use to redistribute the spices. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pumpkin pie creamer in your favorite hot beverages.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.